In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Trello card colors. If you've ever wanted a quick visual way to spot priorities, group-related tasks, or simply make your board easier on the eyes, adjusting colors is a simple and effective move. You don't need any complex setup, just a couple of clicks right from the card itself. First, open your Trello board and find the card you want to update. On that card, look for the three dots icon. It usually appears on the card surface and opens a context menu for that specific card. Go ahead and click those three dots. This brings up a compact menu with options tailored to that card, so you can act without opening the full card view. In this menu, look for the option labeled Change List Color. Select it and you'll see a palette of colors to choose from. Click the color you like and you should see the update take effect immediately. Depending on your board settings, this can apply a color style that helps your cards in that list stand out, making it easier to scan and prioritize at a glance. If you change your mind, simply open the same menu again and pick a different color until it feels right for your workflow. A few quick tips to make the most of colors. Keep your system consistent across the board, so everyone understands what each color means. Maybe warm colors for urgent work and cooler tones for later tasks. Aim for strong contrast with your text, especially if you're managing long card titles or if your team uses different screens or dark mode. If a color looks great but makes text harder to read, try a lighter or darker alternative that still communicates the same intent. Less is more. Using just a handful of colors across your board makes patterns pop and prevents visual clutter. If you don't see Change List Color in the menu, it could be due to board configuration or workspace permissions. Some features vary by plan or setup, and your admin may manage how colors appear on lists and cards. Make sure you're viewing the card from the board, not an archived or filtered view, and check that your app or browser is up to date. That's all there is to it. Click the three dots on a card, open Change List Color, and choose the look that helps your work stand out. Try a few options, settle on a simple color system, and enjoy a cleaner, faster way to read your board at a glance.